Good morning and welcome to today. I have something very unpleasant to show you. See, it's snowing. It's disgusting. It was snowing more at my house. It was like you could see it on the ground at my house, and I got here and then it wasn't really snowing, kind of, sort of. And now I looked up and it's just all white outside. Like, you can't really tell from here, but that's, oh my gosh. And cold, man, it's so cold outside. Oh, there we go. Some of my friends from the show last night came to hang out with me at work, and now they went to Burger King. But I told them how much that Burger King sucks, the one here. So they're prepared. But yeah, they're going and grabbing food, and then they're coming back. And they're so funny, and I love them, and I'm glad that they're here. Cause I thought they were leaving at 3 in the morning, but then now they're here. So. Dude, what do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What? What? You won't shut up. Like, what do you want? Yo, what do you want? Do you want to go outside? Jack. Why are you so cranky? What do you want? Hey. Haha. Wow. Haha, got your tail. You are a cranky dude. It's bedtime. If you liked anything in this video, hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment. If you want to see what I do tomorrow and all the other days, subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.